Assalamu alaikum one and all. I am Ahmadi Bauddin, your new geography teacher. First of all, I congratulate one and all to be promoted in 9th standard. We will start with first chapter, that is distributional map. What is map? The main purpose of map is to show location. If you wanted to go somewhere, if you wanted to find something, the maps are very useful, helpful. In early decades, the people used to draw map and search it. Now we have cell phone, we can Google map it. Most of the children do. These kind of maps are called thematical map. And the main purpose of variables is dependent on the three parts. For example, first is temperature. If you wanted to find something about or today's temperature or something, the maps are very useful. The rainfall, which area is affected for the rainfall, and the population. If you wanted to know the country's population, state population, or the region's population, or district population, the maps are useful. These maps are divided into three categories. First is dot method, second is chlorophlate method, and third is isoplate method. Dot method. The main purpose of that dot method is counting. The dot method is more suitable to show the distribution of variables, population, cattle, etc., which is freely spread throughout the region. For these methods, the value of dot has been determined by taking to lowest to highest value of given variable in the region into consideration. See, see this area. This area shows as the number of the dots have been given for each variable. For example, if it is big, that it means the population is very high there. If it is small, then the population is very low there. So the dot method, when we want to use the dot method, we have to take these things into consideration. Density of the variables, the population, the number of things, the scale of map. In this, we have to go through the dot method. The following precautions should be taken while using the dot method for the map. First is the size of the dot should be uniform. Second, the distribution of physiography, water, sources, transport system, etc. of a region should be considered while placing dot. See, what is the situation of the country, state or the region, their transport system, their water sources should be taken into the consideration when you are using the dot method. The third one is while showing the population of the distribution or the rural population is shown by the dot, circle and show as a urban area. For example, if they are giving you the dot, if you are using, for example, if you are using the population for urban area, you will use the big dots or you can do with different kinds of dots. And if you are using the urban area, the rural area, then you will go with this. See this map, you will get to know. This map is about the Amravati district. See Amravati. The population of Amravati is 5 lakhs. It's shown in the map. See in this the 5 lakhs, which is the big dot, and it is shown in Amravati. The population of Amravati is 5 lakhs. Now we will see Achalpura. Achalpura is for 2 lakhs. Then we will go with Anjangaon, which is 1 lakh. This is the index. This is the distribution of Amravati district. You're getting it? Then this is for chlorophlate map. Okay, for today we will go only with dot method. Further we will continue in next lecture. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will understand dot method.